Shift templates can be used to schedule shifts across multiple post sites and therefore help you automate your scheduling task, saving you time and effort. To create a shift template, click on the Scheduler tab on the main menu and select Schedule from the drop-down. You can now view the schedule for the whole month in the calendar. You can refine the results based on the client, host site, guards, shift status, and shift type from the filters to check the shifts scheduled for a particular time period. Now click any day of the calendar. On the screen that pops up, click on Add New Shift Template. On the New Shift Template form, add the necessary information, the template name, and the start and end time of the shift. It is optional to define the paid and unpaid breaks, add a note, and mention for how many days in a week the shift will be repeated and for how many weeks. You can set the shift to be repeated for up to 8 weeks. The more details you add, clearer will be the template and help you create shifts faster. Once you have added all the details, click Create to save the shift template. This template appears on the list of templates next time you create a shift, where you can simply add the other necessary details and hit Publish to create the shift. Alternatively, click on Scheduler on the main menu and select Shift Template from the drop-down. Here, click New Shift Template. Now, add the necessary information and the template will be added to the list of templates which you can use to create shifts. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our support team anytime. GuardsPro, #1 security patrol solution.